Hi guys, today's little video is showing you one of our workhorses. It's a 1986 left-hand drive German import single cab with a bed built by Westfalia. So it's a Westfalia wide bed. As you can see, we've got it loaded up to take the brake disc to the scrapyard. She's been stood for 6 months, so like every VW owner, we're going to expect loads out of it and expect it to start and then drive 10 miles to the scrapyard. See if she starts. Here goes nothing. How far are the keys? Now I've got the keys. The keys in, glow it up, which seems to take about 5 years. It's not like a modern car where it starts instantly. Here we go. Wow, listen to that. It's impressive, isn't it, after 6 months? Bit smoky. They're really reliable, but slow is an understatement. There's all the smoke. It's a bit grown in. Over here is our donor. It's done 80,000 miles. It's a 1.9. That our plan is to take the motor out of it and fit it to this old girl, just to make it a bit more usable, so you can actually use it and go places. There we go. Thanks for watching.